Hello, and welcome to the English Alphabet series. We are still in the letter A, and today we have animals that start with A. Alligator. Alligators are usually found in rivers and swamps. Ants are very organized and hardworking insects. Ape. Apes can use tools and solve simple problems. Albatross. The albatross can fly for hours without stopping. Arctic fox. The Arctic fox's fur changes color with the seasons. Anaconda. Anacondas are non-venomous but very strong. Aardvark. The aardvark uses its long tongue to catch insects. Angelfish. Angelfish are popular in home fish tanks. Armadillo. The armadillo uses its armor to defend itself. African gray parrot. The African gray parrot can learn many words. Did you know? The word ant comes from Old English and has been used for over 1,000 years.